Hello everyone. With our community following the physical distancing measures in place and public health recommendations, we are helping to keep families, co-workers, and our neighbors safe. Thank you for continuing to do your part. Thank you again to all our frontline and essential workers for your hard work and dedication throughout this pandemic. At this week's virtual council meeting, we kick things off with a presentation from our Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Richardson, about COVID-19 in Hamilton. The presentation gave Council a comprehensive look at timelines and the impact the virus has had in our community. Directly following Dr. Richardson's, our city's Emergency Operations Center Director Paul Johnson shared the City of Hamilton's reopening plan. This is a roadmap outlining the new reality that will be in place when the province allows us to reopen our facilities. It outlines the 3 stages to reopen the city with details found at hamilton.ca/reopens. It's important to note that there are no timelines and recommendations will be based on health advice. Council approved the allocation of $2.5 million of the city's enrichment fund to various community groups across the city. Sadly, many events and festivals will be impacted by COVID-19 this year, but we hope to see these events back up and running for all you to enjoy next year. I'm disheartened by the most unfortunate split decision by Council to not keep the SoBe Bike program going until the end of the year. 26,000 active members will have the SoBe Bike service end for them on Monday, June the 1st, 2020. More than 600 members had signed up for the service since the pandemic began as a safe and sustainable mode of transportation for them. As we emerge from the pandemic to the new normal, bicycle riding will be more important than ever before because it's a safe way to socially distance while commuting or traveling. SoBe is a clean transportation mode and could have led to additional infrastructure for cyclists in our city. Staff will now seek a new SoBe operator, and the 900 bikes will be put into storage in the meantime. Virtual council meetings will continue for the next few weeks as we continue to look at ways to safely meet in person again in the future. Another reminder that all councilors and their staff are available and working remotely. You can contact them through their regular phone numbers and emails, all of which you can find on the city's website. And I'd like to once again share a couple of more stories of how our community is showing its support to our frontline workers and helping people in need. Like the Dundas Valley Sunrise Rotary Club, who have been handing out 2 free protective masks to stores and businesses along King Street and in the Dundas Plaza. They have handed out 200 masks so far and are looking at getting out more. Thank you to all the members of the Dundas Valley Sunrise Rotary Club. And a shout out to Docs That Rock, a rock band made of doctors from across Canada who normally get together to perform at the annual conference of the Canadian Association of Emergency Physicians, and they raise money for a good cause. The conference has been canceled due to the pandemic, but that hasn't stopped the Docs That Rock. They've made a video of their cover of Won't Back Down by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. To see the video and to donate, you can go to the Canadian Association of Emergency Physicians website at caep.ca/docsthatrock. All money raised goes to the Emergency Medicine Advancement Fund, which supports research in ways of reducing wait times, emergency room diagnostics, and improving COVID response in emergency medicine. So thank you to all the great docs. Please keep your photos and stories coming to mayor@hamilton.ca or tag me on social media at Hamilton's Mayor so we can continue to share more good news. And please remember that the virus is still in our community, and continue to adhere to the public health recommendations. Wash your hands, sanitize frequently touched surfaces, and consider wearing a non-medical mask as an added layer of protection when physical distancing is difficult to maintain. And before I go, I want to recognize the tireless work and dedication of our paramedics during Paramedics Services Week. Under the great leadership of Chief Michael Sanderson and in partnership with our many healthcare sector partners, our paramedic service has been working hard during the pandemic and always to ensure that our residents receive the best possible care in their time of urgent need. So thank you to our paramedic staff for their tireless dedication, for their work, and for serving the people of Hamilton. Thank you for watching. Take care of each other. Stay safe, Hamilton. Be well.